Rank Math is a WordPress plugin that provides SEO optimization features for website owners and content creators. Similar to Yoast SEO, Rank Math helps analyze website content and provide suggestions to improve search engine rankings. However, Rank Math offers some additional features and benefits. Here's how Rank Math works. Analysis. Rank Math performs a comprehensive SEO analysis of your website and provides suggestions to improve your content for better rankings. Customizable. Unlike Yoast SEO, Rank Math offers a greater level of customization, allowing users to fine-tune SEO settings for individual pages, posts, and taxonomies. Schema markup. Rank Math includes schema markup functionality, which can help improve the appearance of your website in search engine results pages, SERPs, and increase click-through rates. SEO audit. Rank Math provides a detailed SEO audit that checks for common issues that can affect your website's performance, including broken links, duplicate content, and more. Keyword research. Rank Math includes a keyword research tool that helps users identify high-traffic keywords to target in their content. Overall, Rank Math is a powerful and feature-rich SEO plugin that can help website owners and content creators improve their website's search engine rankings and drive more traffic to their site.